Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from Carwow, together with
Tony.
He's brought along his rather lovely
918 Spyder.
Oh yeah, and we're going to have a drag race against a
MotoGP bike.
First of all, let me tell you about this 918 Spyder. In fact, Tony, it's your car, you tell them.
4.6 litre V8.
Yeah, turbo and naturally aspirated.
It's naturally aspirated.
That's correct.
And it also runs 2 electric motors, which combined, we're looking at 887 brake horsepower. I think it's approximately 900 foot-pound of torque.
I do it in new money, so I've got 1,280 newton meters.
I think you'll bang on.
Okay, so what's the gearbox?
7-speed PDK.
Yeah, dual clutches, and it drives just
4 wheels.
4 wheels. Do you know the weight?
I think it's around 1640 kilos.
Oh, do you know the number I got? I got 1674, but you're close enough. How much are these when they came out?
I believe they were 685.
Okay, and how much did you pay for this one?
This one I paid 1.275 million.
Okay, wow. And what do you reckon it's valued at now?
I'd say probably 1.3 now.
1.35. Nice, so we better not crash it.
No. Definitely not.
Anyway, shall we move on to the MotoGP bike? So I know the stats on that, or do you? Do you know the stats on that as well?
I think so.
No way.
I think it's running 270 brake horsepower.
That is correct.
The engine is a V4, just under 1,000 cc.
Yeah, I was going to say 1,000. Why am I even here? I'm not even bloody driving. There's no point in me even being here. I'm just along for the ride. I've actually never been in a 918 Spyder before. This is my first ever time. Anyway, back to the bike. The weight of the bike, do you know the weight? 150
kilos?
Yes. Do you know the weight of the rider?
Not a lot.
No.
About 55.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, all in, they're about 200 kilos.
Danny's a tiny guy.
It's Dani Pedrosa, MotoGP. He came second in the 2007, 2010 and 2012 championships. Basically, he's the best rider to never win a championship, mainly because of bad luck. Anyway, I'm hoping you're going to have some bad luck today, Dani, because I really want to beat you in this car.
Well, I think it's going to be a little difficult. Now I'm in a good luck mood.
So, what do you think is going to happen?
The car looks stunning, so I'm not so sure what is going to happen. I try my best anyway.
Bit more information on that bike. It's actually the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing RC16 from the 2021 season, so it's pretty blooming new. We're going to be up against it, Tony, and hopefully win one for the car guys, yeah?
Give it our best shot.
Now, if you like these kind of crazy, insane, unusual drag race videos with amazing vehicles, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Let's do it. Let's race. Buy, sell, car, wow. Now, before we race, Tony, there's something that we have to do. Do you know what it is?
Seatbelts?
No, we've got the seatbelts on.
Oh yeah.
It's the customary Carwow sound check.
Oh yes, of course.
Yeah, turn on your car.
Okay. Let's
You can press some buttons, get out of hybrid mode, get it into sport mode. Otherwise, yeah, there we go. When it rev higher?
No.
Soft limiter. What? Really? Try pulling up on both pedals together. Now do it. No? I don't mean to be rude, but that's a bit crap, isn't it?
It is crap.
For like 1.2 million you paid for this and you can't even rev it up?
No.
What a joke.
Rubbish.
Okay, so that wasn't great from our end, Dani, so let's have a listen to your MotoGP bike. I bet it sounds better. Go on, rev it up. Yeah, his bike sounds better than this, doesn't it?
It does, quite a bit better.
Do you know what, Tony? If you want to buy another car, you probably need to sell your current car. So if you want to sell this, or maybe just your normal car that you drive around, he drives around as a daily in a
VW Tiguan.
Tiguan, right. So if you're thinking about getting rid of your Tiguan because you need to pay for a service on this, you should sell your Tiguan through Carwow. All you have to do is upload some photos, you give a brief description, then our dealers will bid on your car. It means that you can get a great price, so you can just pick the best offer. They'll come to your house, take the car away, put the money in your account.
That's how it works.
Yeah, it's dead simple. Man like you, time's money, don't have to mess around with idiots coming round to buy your car. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just bear that in mind. Now, if you want to do that, just click on the pop-out bar up there or follow the link in the description. And if you, or you, Tony, want to do it at a later date, you just simply Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you, okay?
Yep.
Do you know how much that's worth?
Million.
Well, actually, the season's like 30 million. And they have 2 bikes running to take part with all like the engineering and all that kind of stuff. So that makes that bike 15 million.
15 million.
Well, it doesn't, but you know what I mean. Let's do this, let's race. Great start, come on, come on! Oh my God! know what as well? He took the piss then because he actually started braking before the quarter mile. He just didn't care.
Yeah.
That's humiliating. It was a good start actually. I thought that we would smash you off the line, but it was neck and neck.
It was neck and neck.
You got a really good launch, and then you buggered off. You backed out of it before the quarter mile. But did you back out of it just to go to us?
I was looking.
Right, okay. We're going to do it again, but this time, don't look back. You've got to keep going past those cones because I want to time your bike.
All right.
Oh, nice start. Come on, it's wheeling. It's still wheeling. It's backed out again. And he still won. Right, we're going to make him do it properly. And do you know what, Tony? You've had 2 goes. You haven't quite done it. Even with him backing out, I reckon I could get an extra second out of this car.
You have a go.
It's an excuse to drive your car, really. You backed out again?
No, no.
No, you did. I think you're confused. See that team there? That's not the finish line.
Ah, no?
No, yeah.
And then I backed down. I thought that was the finish line.
No. Can you see beyond that camera crew? There is actually...
The second one.
Yeah, can you just about see a cone?
Yes, yes, yes.
That's it.
I always cut on the camera.
No, I know, and you still win.
All right, now I get you.
I'm swapping drivers as well now, so you're going to be racing against me, and I'm a lot quicker, so be warned.
Okay.
Honestly,
Okay.
I'm so quick.
But don't start before the hands go down.
No, I never do. He's been watching the videos, clearly. Come on! Come on! He's done it all! Oh my God! And he's pulling the whole way. He did us.
I made a full spin.
And you still won.
I don't know.
But
I thought I lose it this time.
No, you didn't.
Come.
It was good.
Look this line.
Oh my God!
Look this line until where it goes.
Look how long that line is. Yeah, watch this. Come on. Listen. Look at this. It's all the way up here.
Eventually.
But it's fading now, and so am I. That is nuts. And I'm out of breath. Okay, Danny.
How far?
So it's. Did you say how far? I'm out of breath. I ran.
Yeah, it's incredible.
It's almost like it goes to infinity.
I think all this still is first gear.
Really? So it does. What did you say? 100.
I think when I shift to second, then I got traction back and.
Yeah, because it does what? 190 kilometers an hour in first gear.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what? That's more than half the distance. So about 200 meters, spinning the wheel up. That's nuts. So it's not an excuse, and you still won. Bet that looked awesome. Did look awesome. I bet it did. So then what exactly happened? Well, the KTM won, completing the standing quarter mile in 9.5 seconds, despite the fact that Dani was spinning his wheel all the way up the track. The Porsche, meanwhile, finished in 10.1 seconds. Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with this car in third gear and that bike in third gear, but because of how his gears are stacked, that's not ideal for him. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, let's do it. Here we go, he's in third. 3, 2, 1, go Tony! Maybe we make him go in 5th. So you, 5, us 2. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go Tony! Keep going, watch out birds! Look at that go! We'll get it like not quite 50, more like 40. He won't know, he'll still think we're doing 50.
We'll do it in the 40.
We'll do it in 40. And he'll be in 6, so he'll be like, bap, 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 bap. Yeah. If we don't win this time, what I'm going to do next time is I'll have a stick and I'll put it through his front spokes. And then we might win that way. He'll probably still beat us. So Dani, you, 6, us, whatever. Okay, so we'll do 40 then. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Come on, here comes our one, he's coming now! Come on! Come on! Finally, we got there. Us in second from 40. Almost beat a MotoGP bike when it's just like almost stalling out in 6th. Go us! Yay! that was really good. And I lied a little bit as well because we stayed in 2nd gear.
Right.
and I dropped the speed to 40 miles an hour. I was like, come on.
Even 40.
Yeah, we're at 40. So, but still, I saw you struggling. I was like, oh no.
At 5th, the bike was going very well. But at 6, I was struggling. I started drop back.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, yes, I could recover. And it was just...
It was close.
On the line.
It was so on the line, yeah. Well done though. Damn it! We're going to win the next thing though. You better get back on your bike. Right, now we're going to do a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop, we'll see who stops in the shortest distance. This could be a win for the car. Come on, Tony, we've got to win this one. That's it. Here comes the line, Tony. Get ready. Full emergency stop. No, come on, stop! Yes! I don't think he's happy with that. He's just carried on riding. He wants another go. Okay, let's go. Here comes the line. Brake! Oh! That was so close! Do you know what? That was so impressive. I thought you were going to beat us because you almost had it, but then it started to lock up, didn't it?
Yes, I had to adjust.
Yeah.
And then I lost it there.
And look, the distance is what? What's that?
Nice.
A meter?
I don't know, yeah,
a meter. You were so close. I mean, thank you very much. It's been really fun, and this bike is so impressive.
I didn't expect to be that close either.
On the drag race?
Yes. And also on this one. The braking for the car is like consistent.
Yeah.
And for us, maybe this one can be this here.
Yeah.
And next time can be 5 meters.
Do you know why? I think you're braking with about that much tyre, whereas we've got like 4 of that much tyre, haven't we? And a load of weight pushing down as well. Brilliant. Listen, thank you very much. I really enjoyed it. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know some other crazy matchups you'd like to see in the comments below. Click on somewhere on Dani, right, to watch some other videos. On that box there to go to carwow to see how much you can sell your car for. Thanks for watching.